Broccoli is an edible green plant. This vegetable is a brain boosting superfood and has a wide variety of nutritional benefits. India and China are the leaders in the production of broccoli. So do not consider this as an imported vegetable when you are in the top producing countries. Steam cooking is just the perfect method to cook broccoli without losing its nutrition. We need very few ingredients to make this vegetable taste awesome. Choose a broccoli such that it is green all around without an yellow shade. An yellow shade denotes that the vegetable is not very fresh. Cut the broccoli into florets. You need not throw away the stalk, it can also be used. As we are not going to blanch them, it is good to rinse the florets in a wide pan well before cooking. You can also add a teaspoon of vinegar to the water when you do this. Drain them well. If you think the florets are quite big, you can now slit them into smaller ones along the stalks. Fill 1/4 level of your steamer with water and steam cook the broccoli for about 5 to 6 minutes. Remove from steamer immediately and transfer to a mixing bowl. This is a very basic step. From here on, we will have a look at few simple recipes to transform broccoli into tasty dishes. I have just transferred the broccoli to the mixing bowl. When the broccoli is still hot, add in the olive oil, diced garlic, chili flakes, and sprinkle some salt. Mix well. You can also choose to add a few drops of lemon just before serving. Serve this warm, as the broccoli would be in its best texture now. Here's another method. Once the florets are ready, heat a pan, add in the olive oil followed by chili and garlic flakes and saute for a few seconds. Switch off the flame and add the florets and toss them well. This also tastes yummy. Just ensure that you're not cooking the broccoli here. We are just trying to enhance the flavor by sauteing the chili and garlic flakes in oil. You can also add some lemon juice just before serving and not well before, as this would lead to making the salad watery. If you do not like to serve this warm, then steam cook the broccolis for about 4 to 5 minutes and dip the florets in ice cubes immediately after removing from the steamer. Do not add water here. Sudden cooling would not only cool them down but would also help retain the crisp texture of the vegetable. In other words, the vegetable would not become soggy. Soak them in ice cubes for only about 30 seconds. Dry them with a towel and then transfer them to the mixing bowl. This method of soaking in ice cubes is purely optional. You can also allow the florets to cool down on their own. You can now add in olive oil, diced garlic, chili flakes, and the salt required. Mix them well and serve as a salad. This is one last method. Once you steam cook the broccolis, you can also add them to any salad with any dressing you like. That would taste awesome as well. Enjoy.